Hi folks. Since I haven't heard from you, probably the snowstorm or the Democrats already got him. We're heading for this. Okay, Banana Republic time. Now, my observations are my own for my area, so I watch people how they shop every day, carefully monitoring them. Sorry, the room's a mess. I've been going through my notes. You would not believe. All hell just hit the fan. Okay, the poop. No, I can't say that. The body weights hit the circular thing, and over. Biden and Harris did their concession speech, so you know things are really bad in Frogtown. Okay, you should have Coors right sides. This is one of my neatly packaged ones, pulled out of a pillowcase. You know, not only foam. I'm stashing these everywhere. And this is about 5 bags worth. Like I said, these two items, these two items are getting really scarce. I've seen people load shopping carts. There's a lot of Southeast Asians, Thai, Cambodians, Laotians, you know, everybody, including some Middle Eastern groups of Indians. They're grabbing caseloads, shopping cart loads of these, and they're emptying it out. And I asked one of them what they do with it. Well, you take a 2.5-gallon bucket, you use a 5-gallon. You just pack it to the rim, okay, put in cups. Any other spaces they have, they put in also, if you can see that, like that, they stack this whole thing up. Another thing they told me they like to stack up, and this is for Nikki. If you have kids, a whole bunch of these, just stack the whole bucket up. Don't worry about bagging, just have a tight seal on it. And they say they're doing this because if they are right and we're in a communist takeover, because a lot of them lived through a communist takeover, they say these buckets is going to save their family's life. Not the government, not the Democrats, not their empty promises. These buckets. And I asked them if they're getting gold or silver. And they told me quite frankly, and this is a message for Sonny of the underground, don't count your chickens. Okay? I have one friend of mine, I can't tell what country, because if that country knows that he's here and he's alive, they're going to put extradition with him, and with Biden and Kamala Harris, he might get deported and get, okay? They're going to confiscate your gold and silver. So you're a silver stacker. You piled up gold and silver. Next thing you see a bunch of black booted men, and they're in black suits holding HK5s, and they say, we want your gold and silver. And you're going to say, I got my gun and black rifle. They're going to take that too. And once you get out of prison after working 15 years, you go to your house, it's not there anymore. They built in a subdivision for poor, so-called the masses. It's actually a big, if you see a tower structure of housing like they do in the Bronx. And that's slave quarters. You're a slave now. So get that through your little head. Now back to Nikki. Sorry, Nikki, I had to say that to Sonny. Okay? You pack a lot of these. Those 3 things will keep your family alive. You add vegetables. I know everybody I know, Southeast Asian, Indian, Cambodian stuff, they're saying it's really bad in Cambodia and Laos, and they're asking geopolitical things because things are moving so fast that you, in a little tiny bubble, hasn't have no idea. And great, my lights went out. These 2 lamps are working off batteries, so I don't have to worry. But you see suddenly the California lights go out. That's why it's always dark in here, Mickey. Okay, now Cambodia and Laos are already getting invaded by the Chinese. They're hungry, 3 billion of them. Vietnam has just built a wall to prevent the Chinese from invading their country. You could check any news outlet, I don't care. And Thailand is going to be overthrown. Burma is going to be overthrown. These four countries are going to be Chinese substates or national, colonies of China. They're going to get rid of the. You want to see a mass of migration? They're going to hit either Australia as boat people. I mean, big boat people. So Australia, New Zealand, Canada, and England are forming a superpower because England has its own trouble. Canada has its worst trouble because the French are eyeing Quebec because they know they can't withstand Russia, so they're going to take back Quebec. And I can see here, oh no, you can't do that. We're a member of NATO. No, because you voted for Biden and supported him. Now all hell breaks loose on the geopolitical stage. Okay, you might get nuked by France. All right, I'm serious, folks. Things are moving so fast, it'll make your head spin. Now I'm sitting in the dark in wonderful California. 2 lamps running off of battery power. I'm not happy. So understand this, Nikki. Where you're at, you're better off because save your money. I'm going to do videos on saving money. So anyway, good luck. God bless. I hope you make it through the holidays, folks. Hell's coming to Frogtown. Night.